Hey, if you want to fix this problem that you cannot get access into all of your photos on the TikTok, so as you can see in my case, I've got only one photo and there's like no videos. So if you are using the Android phone, you will have to simply go into the all settings on your phone, locate all apps, and now from here you will have to locate the TikTok. If you don't have it right here from recently open apps, just go here, scroll down and locate the TikTok. So in my case it will appear just right here, and now when you find the TikTok, click on it and go into the permissions. And now when you've got the photos and the videos, like for example right here or right here, switch to get it to allow always, and then go back from this. Now we can restart the application, open it one more time, and from here go into the profile, click on the plus, and now you will get access into all of your photos. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.